guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Melissa with Up and Our Way. Today we are at Park MGM and we're going to take you around to have a look. So this place opened up in 1996, but it was originally the Monte Carlo. That happens to be where Enrique and I got married in 1996, fresh after opening. So this place is now a non-smoking resort, so it's something that you should know. So obviously we're going to show you all the restaurants and the things that this hotel has to offer, but one of the things that I really want to point out is how well the property is laid out. So we're here in the main lobby area, and you have the check-in, you know, the bell desk, concierge, that kind of stuff. There's a restaurant right here off of the lobby called Primrose. The pool's just like right around the corner. The elevators are off next to the check-in area. And then also you have your Uber pickup. The parking garage is right over here. So everything's very convenient. There's not a whole lot of walking that you have to do here at Park MGM. Want to do self-check-in and avoid the really long line. It just got huge right now. You can do that on the MGM app, and you can either use a digital key on your phone, but I've had problems with that in the past. So what you can do is come over to the lobby area, and there's a little iPad here. You enter your information and you can grab a key and print your own keys. When it comes to the rooms at Park MGM, I'm not the hugest fan. I don't really like the green coloring. They're sort of small rooms, and the layout is just a little funky. I'm just not sure about it. But at the end of the day, it's a room to sleep in. It was clean, and it has pretty much everything you need. You will notice that there is no mini fridge in here, not a mini bar, and not an empty fridge either. Closet was pretty small, but it did its job again. So the door to the closet is also the door to the restroom, so it's just a sliding door that goes between one and the other. The restroom itself was small, but it was functional. There is no bathtub in here, but the shower was actually a good size and there was good water pressure, so I'm not mad at the shower in here. A good number of restaurants and places to eat and drink while you're at the Park MGM. So behind us is Eataly. Eataly is probably one of our favorite places to eat at when we're at Park MGM because there's just a lot of options. It's quick food. It's not cheap though. Expect to pay about $50 for a lunch, including some, drinks like soft drinks. But it's really good food, and you have a lot of different options to choose from. You go to different stations to pick out what you want. But then also there's a whole slew of other restaurants here at the Park MGM. If you're looking for something nice, there's Bavette's Steakhouse. There's a Korean barbecue called Best Friend that I'm dying to eat at, but it's always booked up, so you really need to get reservations ahead of time. And then there's other places like inside of Eataly, there's something called the Toscana restaurant. And then in addition to that, you have the Nomad bar, the library at the Nomad. There's Side Betty Grill, which is just like quick food, but just a warning, we have eaten there before, and the food can get really heavy. And then also there's Noodle that we've eaten at before, and it's really good noodles. Just a nice kind of quick place to grab some food, but it is a sit-down restaurant. And then, of course, they have Starbucks for breakfast. So if you just want to get your coffee, you can have Starbucks. Or if you're looking for a little something different for a breakfast or a brunch, there is Primrose that is just right off of the lobby. And actually, let's take a quick look at Primrose, Eataly, and Noodle while we're here. We're at Primrose, which is one of the restaurants right off of the lobby at Park MGM. And we ordered some coffee, ordered some French toast and a breakfast sandwich. It's really cute out here. This is overlooking the pool. There's also a really adorable interior, so I think you can't get a bad seat in the house here. All right, so we got our food. I just want to show you this adorable napkin. So I'm like special because I see only the white napkins, but this one has like all these little patterns on it, so super cute. Anyway, our food is here and we got French toast. So this has a berry compote on it and whipped cream. I'm really excited to try that. But before I try it, I want to show you Enrique's sandwich. He got a sausage and egg and cheese sandwich, and it came with a side of breakfast potatoes. But anyway, I'm dying to try this French toast. So, oh. The berries make it so good. So it normally comes with chocolate sauce, but you have an option of adding the berries for an additional $4. So without it, it was $14. With the berries, it was $18. So worth it to upgrade to the berries, in my opinion. What did you order?
I ordered the black pepper roast pork.
All right, let's see.
Thumbs up. It's very tender, flavorful. It's especialidad de la casa. Black pepper pulled pork. Recommend it.
If you're at Park MGM is to come to Eataly. There's like a wide variety of food options that you can choose from. Today I got a pizza. We each got a slice of pizza and 2 bottles of carbonated water, and it came to about $40 after tax and tip. I'm ready to dig into this, so let's see. The margarita pizza. The crust is very crispy on the bottom. I just love the way that they toasted it. The cheese and sauce are wonderful. I highly recommend Eataly. We've eaten here before and had sandwiches and rice balls. The food is very good here. The top 4 floors of Park MGM are actually called the Nomad. So it's considered like a separate hotel, but it's part of Park MGM. So we're here in the little lobby area of the Nomad, and back that direction is the Nomad bar. And then there's also this restaurant called the Nomad Library. And we're gonna give you a sneak peek of that because it looks really awesome. There's some really expensive wines, up to like $5,000 bottle of wines, a private tasting room, and a really cool looking restaurant. Let's take a look. We're at the pool area of Park MGM now, and it's a nice warm day, not too hot, but I wanted to give you an idea of what to expect when you come out to the pool here at Park MGM. So first of all, if you really want to go big, you can rent a cabana. On the weekends, it's gonna run you about $600. During like the midweek, it'll run you about $425. There's no food or beverage included in that, but you will have sort of more personalized service with the service coming around and get your beverages and food that way. There's also some day beds that will run you about $200 for the day. And there are reserved chairs that have more cushion and umbrellas, and that's gonna run you about $125. Of course, there are just the free chairs that you can get, and those are first come, first serve, obviously. Now, similar to other properties, they have little tags on the chairs with a QR code, and you can scan that to order your food. And there are 3 pools in this main pool area. And one thing that I think is super unique to this pool area is that there are street tacos. So we just passed by a street taco cart and you can order them. And hey, I think it's worth a try. Check out the pool here at Park MGM. So here's a little tip for you on pools. We are at the Nomad pool. So this is up on the 4th level. You can access it from the guest elevators, but one of the cool things is if you're already planning to rent a cabana, they were actually cheaper here. It was only $400 as opposed to $600 downstairs. Now the only thing is this is a family-friendly pool, so if you really want to have that adult-only space, there is one pool at the lower level, the main pool area, that is adults only, but I actually think this is kind of a cuter, more relaxing place to be, so pro tip for you. On the 2nd floor, there's a fitness center. It's right next to the spa. I'm not gonna go inside because there's a bunch of people working out in there. It's not huge, but it's not tiny either. There's enough machines and equipment, I think, for you to get a decent workout in. The casino at Park MGM is 102,000 square feet, and there are 1,400 slot machines and about 60 table games. You're gonna find most of what you like here. The layout's pretty decent. I can't say it's my favorite casino in Las Vegas, but there's a lot of what I like here. If you're attending a concert, an event over at the T-Mobile Arena, Park MGM is the perfect place to stay because all you have to do is literally walk across the street and there you are. It's a nice, easy walk. There's a nice park area right in front. Great place to stay if you need to get to T-Mobile Arena really quickly. Inside of Park MGM is House of Gaga. So in here is sort of like a museum of Lady Gaga materials. There's some of the outfits that she wore to the MTV Music Awards, the Grammys, on her tours. There's wigs, there's all kinds of cool artifacts that you can see that are related to Lady Gaga. She has a residency here, so when she's in Las Vegas, this is where she performs at Park MGM. So Dolby Live is where Lady Gaga and others like Silk Sonic and Aerosmith and other big names play. Then there's also this little speakeasy called On the Record. Now this is set up to be like a record store, but it's a speakeasy. It seems like a really cool vibe. There's also the Juniper Bar, which you see here, and there is Mama Rabbit's. In addition to other bars that are just on the casino floor, there's also this sports book and bar. And if you are outside Betty Grill, you can enter the sports book from that area. So grab some food, go sit down, watch some sports, and place your bets. All right, so we are at the point now where we're going to take you on a walkthrough of the property. So this is going to take us from the parking garage area. So we're just coming down from the parking garage all the way to the front of the property. So when you get down over here, you're going to see off to your left is going to be the Uber and Lyft area. So now you have your concierge and you head straight into the lobby area. That's the taxi and valet area right there. And then over here is the lobby. You have a Primrose on the left, some shops also, but you have VIP check-in, you have your main check-in, and then off to the right-hand side is going to be your guest elevators. So you can go to the left and that'll take you straight to the casino and the pool area, but if you go this way, you are very convenient to the guest elevators. I also love that Starbucks is right by the elevators, making it so easy to come down and get coffee in the morning. Once you see Eataly, well, you've made it to the front. You can actually exit through Eataly to the street. At the end of the day, we really like Park MGM. The rooms aren't great, but we love the layout, the casino's good, the food is good. So I would definitely stay here again. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and hit the bell notification so you're alerted when we go live or we drop a new video. We will see you all next time.